Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, you probably run into a simple but frustrating problem. You picked up your Samsung M47 5G and suddenly realize that the usual way of turning it off no longer works. You press the power button, but instead of seeing the power menu, a voice assistant appears or nothing happens at all. Don't worry, this is a normal feature on modern Samsung smartphones, and you can fix it in less than a minute. In this video, I'll show you several ways to turn off your Samsung M47 5G, and I'll also explain how to properly restart the device. Everything will be quick and easy, no apps to install, no computer required, and no risky settings to change. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. At the end, I'll show you a method that works even if your phone has frozen, the touchscreen is no longer responding, or the device won't let you open the standard power menu. Many users don't know about this trick, even though it can be incredibly useful when you least expect it.